So it's Saturday, May 28th. It's about 8:30 in the morning. I've been trying to get an early start, like I said in my previous video. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you like this content, be sure to subscribe to my channel. You can do that by hitting that subscribe button down below. Alright guys, I got my first order. So it's for $6, picking up at McDonald's. It was going under 2 miles. So just took it to kind of get started this morning. That's my order, 623092. And my order was sitting right there done practically the whole time I was in there. Customer service is just so horrible. It's sad, actually. Very sad. Is that it? Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Alright, so I'm about 0.8 miles from the customer. It's going to take me just 3 minutes to get there, so let's go get this off. Have my next order. It's on DoorDash for $6.50, picking up from Pega's Family Restaurant. Alright, I'm 1.9 miles away from the customer, and it's going to take me about 4 minutes to get there. So let's go get this off. And then I have my next order already. It's on Spark. So it's for $29.43. I'll get $9.43 of it today. And then the customer left a $20 tip, which is really nice. And it's just one order. So it's also going 4.2 miles. So it's not a horrible order at all. 9:45 is the pickup time. I can get there about 9:40 and still check in. So I'm gonna, like I said, I'm gonna drop this off and then I'll head directly to Walmart. By the time I get over there, it should be time to pick it up. So let's go do this. I'm headed to Walmart to pick up that Spark order, and looks like I'm about 4.4 miles away from it, and it's going to take me about 9 minutes to get over there. So it's just a pick up and deliver, no shopping involved. So let's go get it on board. So actually I was only a couple minutes late to Walmart. It only took them about 8 minutes to get it out, so not too bad at all. And the funny thing is, I actually got out of there faster than the other 2 cars that were sitting there when I got there. So, good for me, bad for them. The customer did come out. I saw them as I was leaving, so I got my confirmation that they received the order. I sat for about an hour without accepting anything. I mean, I got offers, but they weren't worth taking. I actually took an InstaCart order, and I'm about 2 minutes from the store, less than half a mile. I'm almost there. It's just right across the street here. But it was for $9.40, and there's 4 items, 6 units. Looks like it's mostly soda. I think it was only going like a mile and a half. I'll be able to tell more once I get it shopped for. And I can then see the distance to the customer. Alright, I'm about 2 miles from the drop-off, and it's going to take me about 5 minutes to get there. So let's go get this off. In the meantime, DoorDash ended my dash. I was able to go ahead and schedule another dash for today, and I usually don't have that problem in my area, but there's been a time or two where I've had trouble getting back on. I don't know, do you guys have the same problem? Comment below. You know, if you guys have that same issue and are about fed up with them. So, anyway, let's go get this off. Alright, I have my next order. It's on Spark. It's for $26.50. It's a shop and deliver. The base pay on that is going to be $19.50, and then the customer left a $7 tip that I'll get tomorrow. Alright guys, I have that all shopped for. I am 3.1 miles from the drop-off, and it's going to take me about 7 minutes to get there. So I won't record the drop-off since it's in a care center. So let's just go get this off. Alright guys, I finally got my next order. It took me about half an hour to get it, but other than that, you know, it's a pretty good order. It's on Spark, and it's for $17.35, going 4.1 miles, 2 orders. So I'll get $10.35 of that today. That's the base pay, and then there's just a $7 tip on it. So the pickup time is 1:45. It's now 1:30, so it'll probably take me about, I don't know, 7 to 10 minutes to get over there to the store. So on one of the orders there's 17 items, and then on the other order there's 46 items. So it shouldn't be too bad. Alright, so I'm here waiting on the orders. The app shows that they are getting ready. It's already 1:44. One of the associates stopped by my car and asked me who I had. And so she looked in their little app thing, and she said that they're still being picked. I might have a little bit of a wait, which I'm not in a hurry or anything. Spark pays you to wait, so if worse things come to worse, I'll just get a little bit of extra money, right? This is probably going to be my last order, and I'm going to be done for the day. Alright guys, it's been like 25 minutes almost, and they're still not out here, but at least the app is showing that they're ready. So I would think I would be getting it pretty quick here. So. Alright guys, finally have those on board. So it took a good little while for them to get everything together and out to me. The first drop off is about 5 minutes away and just under 2 miles. So let's go get her done. So I got that order off. Of course it was on the top floor, so I had to go up about 3 flights of steps, and it was the big order. And everything was heavy, period. So off to my next one, and I'm 2.2 miles away from it, and should take me about 6 minutes. So I didn't record that last one because it was in an apartment building, so I didn't worry about it. So DoorDash is still sending me trash all day, all day, all day, all day. So let's just go get this one off and call it a day. Thank goodness this one is a house. I don't think I could have done another apartment. Alright guys, I finished up that last order and I was done for the day. So I wanted to go over the totals with you from yesterday, and then also my weekly totals. So what I ended up with was I did 2 orders on DoorDash yesterday for $13.50. I did 1 order on Instacart for $9.40. And then Spark was the winner of the day. I had 3 deliveries on there for $117.26. That total does include tips from Friday in it, so that's why that's so large and only 3 orders. So for the week, I did $172 on Monday, $250 on Tuesday, $301 on Wednesday, $293 on Thursday, $275 on Friday, $140 on Saturday, and then I had tips come through on Sunday from Spark that totaled $34. So that came to a total of $1,464.28. Looks like I did 76 trips for the week, a little over 655 miles. I worked 60.9 hours. And then my average per hour was $24.06. Dollars per mile was $2.24. And I did like 1.3 trips per hour. So it was not a bad week at all. My goal for this week was $1,350. I was trying to make $225 a day. And I hit that goal and surpassed it. So I hope you guys had a good week. I hope you hit your goals. Anyway, if you liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more content just like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. So for now, guys, I'll leave you with that, and I will see you in the next video. All right, guys, I finally have my next order. Good gosh, come on. So it was for, and I forgot to get a screenshot. Dang it.